case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1993 Supreme Court case, Brecht v. Abrahamson, the justices examined the question of whether errors during a trial that are considered harmless beyond a reasonable doubt would entitle a defendant to habeas relief, even if it involved a violation of the defendant's constitutional rights. The case centered around Todd A. Brecht, who had been convicted of felony theft and was placed in the temporary custody of his sister and her district attorney husband, Roger Hartman. Tensions boiled over due to Brecht's criminal history, drinking habits, and sexual orientation, eventually leading Brecht to violate the terms set for him and kill Hartman. During the trial, the prosecution argued that Brecht's pretrial silence indicated guilt and violated his due process rights, while the defense argued otherwise. The Supreme Court had to determine whether the prosecution's use of Brecht's post-Miranda silence violated the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. Ultimately, the Supreme Court upheld the decision of the Court of Appeals, denying Brecht relief through a habeas petition. The court reasoned that the state's Doyle error, the use of the defendant's post-Miranda silence as evidence, did not substantially affect the jury's verdict. Instead of applying the Chapman harmless error standard, the court decided that the Kotiakos standard was a more appropriate measure for constitutional error on collateral review when it came to federal habeas corpus reviews of Doyle violations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.